Yeah, we got a tornado warning here in Georgia, and our wind was just whooping up while going. It's raining hard. Yeah, I sat on the porch for a minute while it was raining. It started blowing on the porch. God, these people. Yeah, the streets got straw and everything in them. Kind of cool. It's cooler out here. Anyway, that's what's going on. A lot of rain and stuff going on. Hope we wash that coronavirus out of here. I mean, this is raining. It was raining real hard a minute ago. In our trees, I'm surprised the trees are still standing over there. They were blowing back and forth.